Hi, it's Ville Teikko here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share you a simple free tip to gain more likes on your Facebook business page. But first, I just want to make clear that gaining page likes is not something you should prioritize. Organic reach in most cases is quite low and you will see very little benefit from having more people liking your page. However, having just a few likes doesn't look very convincing for people visiting your business page either. So taking advantage of this little free trick to gain more likes can really improve your credibility as a business in front of your audience. Before we move on, I would kindly ask you to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future marketing tips I post on this channel. Also, make sure you watch till the very end because I have a little bonus for you to help automate this process I'm going to talk about in this video. So how can you get free likes on your Facebook page? This method I'm going to show you, it's not any weird hack or secret. It's a feature Facebook offers for any page admin. It's just not that easy to find and many don't know you can actually do this. When people outside your page followers like any of your posts or ads, you can actually send them an invite as your page to like your page. Some will simply ignore this invite, but still I would say a quite good percentage will accept the invitation and become your page follower, making this a very easy way to boost your likes, especially if they are on the low side. I will now share my screen and show you step by step how to access this feature and start inviting people. First, you have to navigate to your timeline and find a post that has some likes. When you click the number after these reaction icons, it will open a pop-up showing everyone who has liked your post. Next to each name, you see an invite button. Simply click and scroll down the list until you have invited everyone you can. Repeat this process with all your recent posts. You can also do the same with ads that are not on your timeline. A quick way to access your ads with likes is through the notifications. In the list, you should see some that say people have liked a particular ad. Just click that notification and it will open up the ad. Repeat the process same as on the organic post. A few things to keep in mind. There is a limit to how many invites you can send, so don't go crazy with this. I think the number is somewhere around 500 invites. If you go over it or send too many too quickly, Facebook can disable this feature temporarily for you. I've had this happen and it will come back after a few days, so no need to panic. If you don't have a lot of likes on your organic post, it's a good idea to boost them for engagement. You don't have to put much money into this, just a few dollars for each post can make them reach a much wider audience, giving you more likes and more people to invite to like your page. One very important thing to note. When you boost posts for engagement on Facebook, make sure you exclude Instagram from placements. Otherwise, most of your likes will go to a separate Instagram ad and you can't invite them to like your page. To make most out of this method, you need to keep checking your posts and ads on a regular basis to invite any new people who have liked. Clicking all those invite buttons manually can be tedious after a while, especially if you are getting a lot of likes through your ads. This brings me to the bonus I promised you. I've made a little JavaScript bookmarklet that lets you invite everyone on that pop-up list with just one click. I've included a link below to a blog post where you can install the bookmarklet and start automating this process. It's simple as dragging a link into a bookmarks bar and start using it. Leave a comment below if you found this helpful, and do consider subscribing if you would like to see more marketing videos like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.